Next.js, the popular JavaScript framework, has undergone a major transformation with the release of Next.js 13. Here's what you need to know. TurboPack. Next.js 13 introduces a new build tool called TurboPack. It's designed for speed and is significantly faster than its predecessors and webpack. However, it's currently in alpha, and creating existing apps might be challenging due to the need for plugin support. Routing revolution. Next.js 13 brings a new routing system, which simplifies routing with directory-based structures. This allows you to create pages easily and co-locate components within directories. It also introduces layouts and nested routing, improving the organization of your project. Data fetching. Next.js 13 offers an efficient data fetching solution using React Server components. These components simplify server-side rendering and eliminate the need for complex data fetching methods like static props. It's a game changer for data handling in Next.js. Caching. The framework defaults to caching, providing the performance benefits of a static site. You can customize caching with options for real-time data updates or incremental static regeneration. Streamlined UI. React Suspense enables incremental rendering, making your application more responsive. A loading.js file defines the UI when a component awaits data, improving user experience. However, Next.js 13 has some shortcomings. It lacks a dedicated solution for data mutations, which can be crucial for some applications. Additionally,
the framework doesn't seem to provide a straightforward way to create API routes in the new app directory.
Overall, Next.js 13 is a significant upgrade, but it might pose challenges for existing projects. Developers should be prepared for migration efforts. The framework still has room for improvement, especially in data mutations and reducing JavaScript bundle sizes. Remember to stay updated with latest Next tutorials and developments as the landscape continues to evolve. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up, so it will reach the broader audience. Thanks for watching and happy coding.